looks pretty bad, but...
Have you made it here recently?
No, I think I came down it last time, and I did not want to go up it. Everything pulls into that center, and all the big rocks have kind of pulled into the center, too.
That's saying here about not having glasses.
I know, as soon as I took my glasses off, I got smacked in the eye by a tree, and I'm like, well, better dark than blind.
That's one time, like, I used to not ride in them, and today and I'm like, there was one time I remember you rode right in front of us all in the line, and a tree limb came back and went right in the face. Oh, better wear. But I used to not like wearing them out here.
I've caught a thorn branch just under the nose.
Yeah.
Like, oh.
Man, back when you turned around, you should have followed my way. There was another little trail that hadn't been rode there.
Really? Yeah, I was just drifting.
Well, then I'm just riding along and I'm looking at this over here. And I'm like, we can climb that.
That's a good little hill. I just couldn't get a start on it, but I knew I could make it, you know, if I tried.
Let's roll down here and see if there's anything right here, because last time they started making something.
Yeah, there's like one trail over there, and I think we've rode it, but it dead ends.
It was like a straight 90 and just pops up on top of it.
There's a couple fun ones right there on that slope.
Yeah, like right there. just poosh.
I thought you were going to wrap around that tree.
Well, no, I got away from that bike and I just got off the side of it and I'm like, Tucker.
I'm sitting there thinking you're about to wrap around the tree. It's like, oh shit.
Were you there that one day fucking Cody hit that tree? I don't know what the fuck he did. Oh, he fucking caught it. That's what the fuck I think he did. He was on something like that and it fucking poof.
Yeah, he was standing up, coming beside a tree, and
it
caught his handlebar and put it into his chest or something.
Gosh damn, I'm moving that fucking rock. I peeled that bitch right out of there. I went down more today than ever, but really.
Yeah, I'd definitely say you've gone down more today than you ever do.
I'm just glad that went like it fucking did.
Well, I wasn't trying to push you. We just started going faster and faster.
No,
I'm like, you better slow
well,
down.
like back there.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you noticed that first spot. It had like a deep mud hole in it.
Uh-huh.
I was riding through it and I'm thinking, man, none of this shit's been road enough to even blow off the leaves. And I fucking got in there and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm like, I'll peg that corner. And about that time it did, it fucking chucked up that rock and it just, and I'm like, oh fuck.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my front end to slide out on one of these corners.
Is this where I chucked it out at?
No, it was back there in the corner. That's probably where some animal digging up some nuts.
Wherever it was laying at, it was like, because I missed that damn tree. I think it was right there.
No, because you hit the, I think you hit the rock in the middle of the corner.
I didn't see it in there if it was.
Yeah, because I had to drive around it after you.
But it fucking bounced up the back of my fucking bike and kicked me the fuck over it.
Yeah, that was pretty gnarly. Is it recording?
It's red.
Yeah, that's recording.
That'll be a sweet one.